In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a vendor payment in Zoho Books. If you're managing your business finances and keeping your accounts organized, knowing how to properly make payments to your vendors is essential. So, let's dive in and break down the process into simple and clear steps. First, you need to navigate to the left sidebar of your Zoho Books interface. Here you'll find a section labeled Purchases. Click on that, and it will take you to a variety of options related to your purchase transactions. Among them, look for Payments Made and click on it. This is your starting point for entering a new payment you're about to make. Once you're in the Payments Made section, you should see a Plus New button, typically found at the top of the page. Clicking this button will open up the payment form where you can input all the necessary details to make your vendor payment accurately. Now, let's fill in the payment details. The first field you come across will likely be Vendor Name. Here, choose the vendor you wish to pay. This step ensures that the payment is directed to the correct account. Following this, you need to specify the payment made amount by entering the exact sum you're set to pay. If you intend to pay the entire outstanding balance, you can simply tick the Pay Full Amount option, which is a convenient feature if applicable. Next, you'll have to enter the payment date. This is the actual date when the payment will be processed or was made. Being precise here helps maintain accurate financial records. Following that, decide on the payment mode. Whether you're paying via bank transfer, check, or any other option available, select the mode that fits your payment method. If you happen to use a mode not listed, you can add your own custom mode at this point. Moving forward, you'll see Paid Through. This is where you choose the bank or cash account that's being used for this specific transaction. Selecting the correct account is vital for proper bookkeeping. At this stage, it's time to apply your payment toward any outstanding bills. Within the table provided below the payment details, enter the respective amounts against the unpaid bills. Utilize the Pay in Full or Clear Applied Amount options if they suit your needs to simplify this process. Let's not forget about a few additional, yet optional features. You have the Notes section, where you can add internal comments. These notes are intended for internal use only and will not be visible to the vendor. Moreover, if you have any relevant documents like receipts or payment confirmations, you can upload them in the Attachments section. Finally, after ensuring all details are correct and as per your requirements, you'll proceed to finalize the transaction. You have two options here. Click Save if you wish to draft the payment for later finalization, or Save as Paid if you're ready to record the payment as completed. And with that, you've successfully made a vendor payment in Zoho Books.